Hey guys, welcome to my channel. People who are new to my channel, my name is Suham and my channel name is Lifestyle Tech. What I normally do is that I do a lot of unboxing videos of new products which I launch in the market, and I give my first review and impressions and hands-on experience on these new products which are recently launched in the market. Now, if you like my videos, then please do consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up to my other videos which you can find in the playlist. Now, today's video we're gonna talk about the iPad 8th generation which was recently launched in India. Now, Apple has announced this iPad in the month of August, and in India we have got this in the month of October. I have already done an unboxing of this video, for which you can see the link above here. You can see my unboxing videos of this product and also my first review about this product. In today's video, we're gonna talk about 5 reasons why you should go for this iPad which is recently launched, and we're gonna talk about the few of the points which will help you decide whether you should buy this iPad or not. Now, one thing for sure guys is that if you like my videos, then please do like, and let's start this video. Well guys, the iPad 8th generation is basically what everyone is saying is the low budget iPad, and it is basically one of the iPad which will kill any other tablets which are available in the market. And the 5 reasons that I'm gonna talk you will justify why I am saying this. Now, the price that you pay for this tablet is basically justifies all the 5 reasons, and it will give you the maximum that you wanted from a device or from a tablet. Now, let's start with the reason number 1. The reason number 1 that you should go for this tablet is the processor. Now, the iPad 8th generation 2020 model comes with an A12 Bionic chip. Now, what is the best part of this Bionic chip is that it works really fast and snappy, and if you compare it to the previous model of the iPad, it is 40% faster in the GPU. So basically, whatever you wanted to do in your iPad, whether it is note-taking, watching videos, or using it for your official purpose, as people are working nowadays from work from home, everything works very smooth and snappy. The games and the processor, the games, everything works really well, and you can do your daily tasks without any hassle. So processor is the one big thing that you should buy or go for an iPad instead of any other tablet which are available in the market. And definitely the price, which is always a big factor. You are getting the best of the device or the best of the tablet in this price range, and that too from Apple. So this was my point number 1. So guys, reason number 2. Now we're gonna talk about the budget factor. Now, if we consider this price point that you get this iPad, and if you see the base range of this iPad, you can get it at rupees 29,900 for a 64 GB variant. Now, this is a really good deal for this kind of an iPad, and what makes it better is basically the OS experience for the iPad which Apple has recently updated to. And there are various number of applications which you can find in the App Store, and I feel that this is a perfect iPad for students which they can use it for note taking or to study or to do any kind of school or college related activities. They can do this in iPad. Well, I can say that there is simply no competition in this market with this kind of specification, and the user friendly the device is. It can easily handle all the multitasking activities and all games and apps, and a full-featured Safari browser which you normally see in MacBooks. It is the perfect device to get you into the Apple ecosystem. Point number 3. Now, in this point, we're gonna talk about the accessories. Now, after releasing of this iPad, it is now compatible with Apple Pencil and the Apple Keyboard. Now, you might think that will it replace the laptop which are coming in the market? Well, it is up to you guys whether you wanted to use it as a laptop or not. But talking about the accessories, yes, now you can use the Apple Pencil, for which you can do a lot of note taking, or you can scribble, or for architecture or designer they can design it also in the iPad. Now, the iPad Pencil and the iPad Keyboard, definitely there's a different cost attached to it, which normally you will have to pay for it, but the value that will bring into the entire device will be unmatchable. And one thing for sure is that there are other third-party devices which you can use it if you are not willing to go for the the costlier version of the Apple Pencil or keyboard. Logitech has many other devices like the keyboards and the pencil, which you can use it as an alternative to it. So what I can say from the point number 3, accessories, is that it works with the accessories. It makes the entire tablet experience a very perfect, and probably I can say that it can also replace your laptop, and you can use it as a daily driver or a daily activity that you wanted to do for your job or for school activities or any of the other things that you do. So I think it makes a perfect device with the accessories. Well guys, talking about point number 4. Now the point number 4 is the display. Now if I compare it to the previous generation of the iPad, this generation of iPad 2020 has a phenomenal display. In fact, the colors and the screen and the viewing angle is really perfect, and it definitely looks really good for video consumption, for playing games, or for web browsing, or doing any activity that you wanted to do on your iPad. The color looks great, but not as good as the iPad Pro version, because definitely those are the Pro models, and for that you need to pay more. But for this price range, I think this is the perfect device, and the display looks really awesome. But there is also one disadvantage of this, is that in this screen there is a non-laminated and there is a little bit of gap. But as you use it, you will get used to it, and I think this should not bother you at all, because I have used it for almost a month now, and the viewing angles, the color, and I was watching videos the other day in the Netflix and YouTube. The color is really nice, and the display is bright. The viewing angle is absolutely fantastic. And the last point number 5. Well, the point number 5 is simply great. Don't you think so? Yes, because this generation of iPad 2020 has bunch of features which are simply great, and which I think you should consider it. Now why I am saying this simply great? These are the points. First, it comes with 3.5mm headphone jack. Now this is useful for students to plug in for their headphones, or people who doesn't want to use a costly Bluetooth headphone device and they do not want to invest it, then definitely there is an alternative, which is 3.5mm headphone jack. Second is the A12 Bionic chip, which performs great, and it has also gotten Touch ID, which is simply fast now. Talking about the battery life, it supports 10 hours of battery life, which is really great for any of your work that you wanted to do. It also supports Apple Pencil and the keyboard, which definitely is helpful, and also it has got an 8 megapixel of camera for scanning documents if not taking pictures with it. So guys, all in all, I think the iPad 8th generation 2020 model is a budget iPad that you can find today in the market. And if you consider considering the price point, this is the best that you get in the market, and definitely this is the way wherein you can enter the Apple ecosystem and get the Apple experience. So I think all in all, this is a great device, and if you are looking for a budget tablet, then go for it. So guys, I hope you have liked my video. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.